going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out at the Citadel. It's been a minute since I've been at the Citadel because they just haven't had much, but we still gotta check, right? Still gotta check. Let's go see what's up. Hope you guys caught my last video in East LA where they told me I couldn't take video. Hope you guys were able to see what's up with that. All right, let's go see what's going on here, man. They opened 50 minutes ago. They do have a heat cart here. What? Of course, look at the line. The line is insane. I'm gonna see if I could just get a quick peek. Haven't done too much creeper cam action here. Got some Jordan 2s, Jordan 12s. That's a 7 Jordan 12 right there, size 7. Let's see, what else, More Jordan 2s, some dunks. See some Jordan 1s. Those are some women's Jordan 1 highs. Some LeBrons right there. Wonder what the pricing is on those though. I would stand in line to check for y'all, but the line's all the way back there already. This place has only been open for 50 minutes. All right, let's go see what they have in the clearance section. We are back to 20% off. Okay. Starting with the smaller sizes, size 7.5, 140 for the Air Max 97, all black with the white midsole. Eye shods go for 110. These are size 9. And boots, the waterproof boots go for 95. The wood sides go for those are size 8. Cosmic Unities, size 10.5 go for 120. 9.5 Blazers, 105. Dude, got some Zion ones go for $75. Interesting colorway. Okay, 95 bucks. Dude, got some trainer size 9.5. Oh, 10.5. My bad. 10.5. These ain't bad. Turbo green colorway. They didn't use. Did they use turbo green? No, they used Summit white and enamel green. 90 bucks for those. Remember, you did get 20% off on top. $50, size 10.5. Sizing, there's like sneakers like everywhere. Sizing's not really consistent here. There's just way too many people. This place just gets way too packed. So 10.5 Witness. What are these? The Witness 7s go for 70 bucks. Pretty dope colorway. Blazers, 9.5. Blazers go for 105. Dude, got KD 15s, $130, size 10.5. Trainer size 10, go for 100 bucks. Air Force One mids, size 11.5, go for $130. Dude, got some size 8 Air Max 97s, Raiders colorway, go for $140. These look dope with the lights on. These look dope. Deldons, these are down to $120. If you have access to the clearance center, hit those up for those. Oh, I thought these were some suede Blazers. I was like, what? These are suede? No, not really. Got all the flowers and stuff. Size 10, go for 60 bucks, 20% off. These are definitely not Zion 2s. Someone did the switcheroo. Those are definitely not 120 as well. They even got a little heat wall right here. Okay. Okay, well, this side has more heat. That other side, I didn't really see any heat. It's funny because some stores, they'll just throw this on the clearance wall, get that 20% off. Some stores, they won't. I guess here, they're not doing that. They even got the playoff 13s. Okay. These definitely a classic colorway. 13s are super comfortable. Does have Zoom Air in them. I'm a fan. Then dude got some dunks. Huge dunks right here. Going for retail. Air Max 1s. These are huge. Size what? 13. Oh, 11.5. These look way bigger. What the heck? It's funny because some stores, they'll just throw this on the clearance wall, get that 20% off. Some stores, they won't. I guess here, they're not doing that. They even got the playoff 13s. Okay. These definitely a classic colorway. 13s are super comfortable. Does have Zoom Air in them. I'm a fan. Then dude got some dunks. Huge dunks right here. Going for retail. Air Max 1s. These are huge. Size what? 13. Oh, 11.5. These look way bigger. What the heck? All right, this is the biggest section right here. Usually 13, 14, 15s. Now, at least we get 20% off this section right here. I like that little heat wall. Size 12 Deldon B Trues going for $70. Kyrie's, I'm like so curious about all the Kyrie prices. They are up and down like crazy. $100 for these size 12s. This is a dope find. Jordan 1 Low Golf for the Big Feet gang, $90. Do get an extra 20% off. They have been worn or at least tried on. Okay. $90. Do get an extra 20% off. So what is that? $72. More 13s. Some Jordan 37s. It is retail. At least you get 20 off. Trying to find some stuff for the Big Feet gang. Not really finding much. Pegs 39s go for 60. That's a pretty good deal. Looking high, looking low. Not finding much. Kyrie Low 5 team banks go for $120. All right, let's check out the aisles. I did see at least one interesting thing in the aisles. Let's go. Well, this was what I saw. This was interesting as hell. The Barbershop LeBron 3s. The LeBron 3s are heavy. They're tanks. Does have full length Zoom Air in it. Super comfy. I'm a huge fan of that. Or a huge fan of these. I am a huge fan of these. Just not a fan of the retail price. Damn, man. I think these were on sale for like at Foot Locker and stuff for a while. I think Culver City Foot Locker had these for a while on sale. Or maybe they weren't on sale. Maybe they just had them. I don't know. But if I can find those on sale, maybe. Zoom Freak 4s. Oh, snap. I didn't even notice these. I'm going to have to check here in a couple weeks to see if they got these on sale. I think I had an opportunity to buy them on sale one time. I probably should have pulled the trigger. I don't think I saw these at the clearance store like I was hoping, but we saw them at Watts, I think, for like 30% off. Witness 6s, ton of Witnesses, a ton of different colorways. Okay. Do got Jordans, but nothing people are too interested in. What the hell are these? Granville Pros? What the hell? I've never heard of these J's. What the hell? Air Max TWs. We've been seeing a few of these. And they're already coming out the outlets, man. Okay. Air Max 95 Quick Strike. Air Max 2090s. Air Force Ones. Not even on sale though, man. Like weird seeing stuff for retail here. Air Max 2017s. Monarchs. We got some Blazer Mids. Infinity Tour Next Percent. We've seen these on sale. Damn, regular price here. I think Torrance had those on sale. All right. Killshot 2 Leathers. Huaraches. Air Max 2090s. It's like the pinkish Quick Strikes right here. The Air Force One Mids. Okay. Pegasus 37s. Damn, they going lower and lower in price. Holy cow. A few different colorways. Do have a couple more aisles. I think these are all like the generic stuff. Yeah, Alpha Trainer 4, stuff like that. Yeah, we're good. It says 20% off all apparel. I'm pretty sure they mean clearance apparel. It says all apparel like that. I'm pretty sure the signs are wrong. But yeah, got blank Bucks jerseys, Nike. What is it? Is it? Oh, okay. It's just a swing. I thought it said Nike by you. I was like, what? But yeah, $100 for these. I think these are the Tech Fleece. Yeah, Tech Fleece longs. Got some sweats. $120 for those. Large. Weird color. ADI t-shirt, $20 for small. Jordan. Jordan t-shirt? Damn, it's just a regular t-shirt, huh? It is really thick. It is a nice, really nice material. Damn, $60 for a t-shirt? Wow. This is more my thing. $7 for this t-shirt. There's a XXL. Got Eagles merch right here. $35 for that one. Ohio State Buckeyes going for $30. I thought I'd start seeing these on sale. Hopefully next week or two we'd see them way discounted. Pick them up for some family members and stuff. Let's see. Lakers polos. XXL though. XXL though. What these hitting for? $70. Normally $75. Chris Paul shirt. $35. This reminds me of like a Dickies shirt. It's like canvas shirt. Is that what it is? Super thick. $150. Oh my god, down to $90. The line continues to grow. It's way over there, and then it comes all the way around the entire escalator. I was just about saying not finding any pieces. And then look, Nigerian football team, national jersey. It's a small though. Oh, it's not a jersey, it's a warm-up. Like pullover, $85. That's pretty dope. If you're into soccer and you know, follow the Nigeria team, that's pretty dope. Dude got a tech fleece, kind of like a trench coat made out of Gore-Tex. This is super, super high-end. It's gonna be hella expensive. So expensive, don't even have a price tag on it. Just has that Gore-Tex tag, okay. Nike hoodie, $40, normally $45. All right, I feel like I've gone through a bunch of this stuff. 4 different racks, 1, 2, 3, 4 of clearance clothing, Chiefs merch, Eagles merch, Niners merch, George Kittle. The white jerseys, $160 retail though. These are the on-field jerseys with the stitched on numbers, and it doesn't just look stitched because they are stitched. They put some shorts, Niner color shorts next to it, $60. Yeah, that's too much. That's too much. And even if it's the most expensive, or even if it was the best deal, who knows if I'd get it? Because look at the line. Look at the line goes all the way around. Man, that's crazy. That's crazy. And for me to check the heat wall for you guys, that's what it would take to get in line. Yeah, no, I'm good. I'm good. All right, I think we're done, you guys. We are done. All right, guys, I've been telling you guys I'm not buying that many pair of sneakers. Finally got my computer situation kind of figured out. Still need to kind of put the case back together and also do some cable management. But yeah, I did drop $4,000 on this computer setup. That monitor's going to get replaced. That's just, I'm just using it to test everything out. Using that primarily to check the CPU temperature, that type of stuff, make sure the computer's stable. But yeah, I dropped $4,000 on this. Also spent like, I think $6,000 in the last 2 months on just random stuff. So yeah, kind of broke right now, kind of broke. That's kind of why I'm not buying that many pair of sneakers. Computer is finally stable, finally running. We are good. Running a RTX 4090, Intel 13900K. Also, pretty much bought everything out of scratch and then just kind of put it together. First time I actually put a computer together, so kind of learned that in the process. This will be going to my sneaker room in just a little bit. Bought a desk for my kiddo, so we just set everything up on here and then we'll put it in the room. That's why I need you guys to watch my videos, man. I need to make some money on YouTube because, yeah, I'm investing quite a bit on it. So, yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. Make sure you guys help a boy. Press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Look, that's the video for this, man. Let's go.
Yeah.